வழக்கறிஞர்கள் இடைநீக்கம் செய்யப்பட்டதன் பின்னணி உள்ளிட்ட விவரங்கள் குறித்து இந்திய பார் கவுன்சில் தலைவர் மனன்குமார் மிஸ்ராவுடன் நமது செய்தியாளர் நிரஞ்சன் நடத்திய உரையாடலை தற்போது பார்க்கலாம்.
Hi sir, actually why BCI suspended those 105 advocates? What reason behind this issue?
The issue what they are telling, firstly they made the one issue that Tamil should be the official language for the high courts. It is not the high court who is to decide, it is center and the parliament they decide. Secondly, the Madurai court lawyers, they went on a strike telling that no, we will not obey the rules and the law, we are above the orders of the high court also, we will not wear and put this helmet over our head while riding the bikes. It is a foolish act and ridiculous really for a legal profession. And it appears, as per our information, that it is backed by somebody else. Somebody is funding. Who is there? Now it is for the investigating agencies to find out.
BCI have any plan to approach the Ministry of Law regarding this issue?
Who?
BCI regarding this issue, you are going to approach?
Law Ministry is fully aware of it. All the courts are fully aware of it. Under section 34 of the Advocates Act, when the High Court find no other way out, though the judgment of the Supreme Court with regard to framing of such rules, that if any unruly or arrogant lawyer is there, then he will not be allowed to enter in the court premises, particular court. That is the rule which is being opposed by them. We are also indirectly and impliedly going to make a request to the High Court that you please rethink over the matter, reconsider it, and if possible withdraw it, because the State Bar Councils and the Bar Council of India is here to tackle the issue. We are with the lawyers. We have to protect the rights of the lawyer. This rule, there is every chance that the rule may be misused. But this is not the way. This is not the manner of opposition. The clients should not suffer. The poor people should not suffer. The sincere and practicing lawyers, they should not suffer.